Hi, my name is Anne-Britt and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist and holistic therapist, and without further ado, today's video is all about what active cleanser is right for you. Would it be retinol and niacinamide, or vitamin C and glycolic acid? So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, let's address what is an active ingredient. So examples of active ingredients are vitamin C, glycolic acid, retinol, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, the list goes on. So how do you pick what's right for you? Well, it's going to depend on your skin type and also what skin concern that you're looking to target. The important thing to keep in mind when using actives is to introduce one at a time and don't have too many actives in your skincare, because overlapping and overkill can lead to irritation. Let me show you a demonstration of me using the vitamin C and glycolic acid cleanser and the retinol and niacinamide cleanser. But first of all, let's just say this. With vitamin C, who should avoid vitamin C? If you have very sensitive skin and you have rosacea, vitamin C can be irritating for the skin. You should avoid retinol. Pregnant women, if you're breastfeeding, and also if you have active eczema. Both of these active facial cleansers, number one, please don't use an active facial cleanser. If you're like me and at night time you have to double cleanse, it's really preferable to use a cleansing oil or balm and a gentle hydrating cleanser, because thus you're cleansing the skin twice. You don't want to over dry the skin with using an active cleanser. With the vitamin C and glycolic acid one, this is to brighten the skin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, also for hyperpigmentation, also good for texturized skin because of the glycolic acid. So first of all, I would say that this one is more so if your skin is oilier like mine. The retinol and niacinamide cleanser, okay, retinol addresses good for acne skin types, also good for anti-aging, because it speeds up the cell turnover. Niacinamide hydrates the skin, so it reduces the irritation of retinol. Plus there is many other fantastic ingredients in here and in here, but I will discuss that while I'm using them in the demo. So now guys, I'm going to show you a demo of me using the vitamin C and glycolic acid gel cleanser, and we'll talk more about the ingredients while I am doing the demo. I find that this gel cleanser foams up really easy. You only need a couple of pumps. So this comes in a 6-ounce size and it's $12.99. So basically avoid the eye area, massage into the face for a minute so you're getting the benefit of the ingredients. It also contains glycerin, which is moisturising and a great humectant. It does have a slight citrus scent. And then we have vitamin C, which brightens the skin, glycolic acid gives a mild exfoliation, and we have other fruit extracts and peptides too. So this is a very nice cleanser. I've never had any issues with it, but just for the sensitive skin people out there, it does have a slight citrus scent. So basically massage for a minute and then rinse up. And you can use this in the AM or the PM, but just remember, when double cleansing, it's not advised to use an active cleanser. So I'm going to rinse off and then back to the video. When you introduce an active into your skincare, you should give it at least 4 weeks to start seeing results, and it can take up to 12 weeks. Consistency is key. It doesn't happen overnight. Now, when it comes to the vitamin C and glycolic acid cleanser, glycolic acid is best used at night time. However, because I double cleanse at night time, I actually use this one in the morning, because you've got to remember there's a tiny amount of glycolic acid in here, and you're using it for a minute and then you're washing it off. As long as you're using a high good factor sun protection, you will be fine. So first of all, let me show you how I use the Retinol Deep Wrinkle Serum Cleanser and talk a bit more about it while I'm doing the demo. Deep Wrinkle Serum Cleanser. Now this is very unique, the texture of this. As you can see, I used it a lot. So that is the consistency of it. Now this one is $13.99. So this one, you do not need a lot of it, just the same. It actually goes into a really nice creamy texture. This one is fragrance free, and they're both paraben free, sulfate free, dermatologist tested, etc, etc. So let me tell you about this wonderful cleanser while I am washing my face. So this one had retinol, which also is for hyperpigmentation, speeds up cell turnover, good for oily acne skin type. Niacinamide, which reduces the pore size, is good for the skin barrier. It's also brightening for the skin. We have grapeseed oil, which also is good for evening skin tone and protects the skin barrier. Aloe leaf extract, which is very soothing, good for hyperpigmentation. Licorice extract, which is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, improves hyperpigmentation also. So this formula has a lot of yummy ingredients in it. I have never had an issue with either one of them, but let's go back to the video and compare. So when it comes down to vitamin C and glycolic acid, or the Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Serum Cleanser, Retinol Niacinamide, what would I say? What would I recommend for skin types? If your skin is more on the oily side, and you know you have dull, tired skin, you know you want a bit more, how can I say, mild exfoliation, and your skin is mature like mine, you can go ahead and use the vitamin C and glycolic acid cleanser. However, if your skin is actually more sensitive, I would go for the retinol and niacinamide cleanser, and this has actually got a gorgeous texture because it's a serum that turns into a cream, as you see me using in the demo. Plus there is also a lot more soothing ingredients in this one. They are both overall very good cleansers, but as I say, be careful because vitamin C has a tendency to irritate sensitive skin, and glycolic acid, even though it's a small amount and very mild, it can, you know, not be good for dry skin. So up to you, what are you trying to target? So it's vitamin C and glycolic acid, or retinol and niacinamide. So that is it for my review of both cleansers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like and subscribe. My channel cannot grow without your support. So until the next skincare video, I will say adios, over and out, and thank you for watching.